Good day everyone. I am Rex Ryan Villanueva and today I will presenting my report titled Analysis of the Energy Released by Earthquakes of Different Magnitudes. First, introduction. Earthquakes are among the most destructive natural disasters, causing severe damage to structure, loss of life, and long-term economic disruptions. The energy released by an earthquake is closely tied to its magnitude, with larger earthquakes releasing exponential more energy affecting the severity of shaking and damage. And also the objectives of this title is to calculate and analyze the release of energy earthquakes of varying magnitudes using the Gutenberg-Richter equation. And second, to visualize earthquake data through interactive maps and graphs providing a clear understanding of the correlation between the magnitude energy release and the geographical distribution of earthquakes. And three, to explore the explications of energy release and analysis on earthquake resistant infrastructure, disaster preparedness, and risk mitigation strategies. First, I would like to present the hello. Welcome to my interactive web app titled Analysis of the Energy Released by Earthquakes of Different Magnitude. This tool was created it using Streamlit Python framework for building dynamic data applications. On the left hand, this hello, you will see the sidebar and I introduce the project with a friendly greetings hello, by followed by the project title. And this project study focus on analyzing the relationship between earthquake magnitude and amount of energy released during seismic events. By examining real-world earthquake data, the project aims to show how to even small energy in magnitude can lead to significantly higher energy release. Understanding this relationship is crucial of improving disaster risk assessment, infrastructure planning, and public awareness in earthquake-prone areas. The findings can help explain why the higher magnitude earthquakes trend to cause more severe damage and highlight an importance of preparedness based on scientific data. This is the analysis of the energy released by earthquakes of different magnitudes. And another in the plotting, as you can see, we have the earthquake data plotting demo and earthquake data. In the screen, in the line graph representing energy earthquake magnitude over time, spanning from 2019 to 2025. This graph was generated using our Streamlit application and it is based on real world data. And the x-axis represent the timeline starting from 2019 and extending into 2025. And y-axis shows the earthquake magnitude ranging from 0 to 7 and 8. Its vertical lines represent the magnitude of a recording earthquake on a on a specific date. As you can see, there are many changes in magnitude, and spike indicating strong seismic events. And also frequent activity, earthquakes of magnitude 3 to 5 are very common across the entire timeline. These smaller events make up the majority of datasets, and magnitude peaks and several noticeable spikes above magnitude 6 can be seen in the 2010 and 2020 to 2024. They represent a energy, high energy and in earthquakes that are typically more destructive. And there are periods and missing of pure data points, particularly between the 2019 and 2020. This visualization help demonstrate important specific principles. Even a small increase in the earthquake magnitude represent a large increase in energy release. This is why monitoring both frequency and magnitude is essential for first, disaster preparedness, second, infrastructure safety, and public awareness. Mapping, as you can see, this visualization of earthquake data aims to analyze the energy released by earthquakes of different magnitude. It provides various interactive map layers such as scar plots, circular overlays, hexagon grids, and animated effects like pulsing ripples and earthbound arcs. Users can filter data by province and select which layers to display on the map. An application uses PyDic to render 3D geographic data in real time. It is help using users understand earthquake patterns, locations, and energy impact of seismic activity across the Philippines. There is a map in the Philippines, and the goals of this visualization is show where earthquakes happens and display the how strong they are and represent the energy release over space and time. This us help us understand both the location, impact, and of seismic activity across different provinces in the Philippines. As you can see the scarlet plot layer and the pulsing, and also you can select province, select province, and pulsing the riddle outbound and the magnitude of hexagon layer. Layer representation table is represent earthquake strength and location scattered plot layer, and the purpose of this is show individual earthquake magnitude. And the circular overlay layer is affected area zone. And purpose is highlights impact reduce of energy of earthquakes and magnitude hexagon. Earthquake density represent earthquake density and magnitude in regions or province. highlight shows where earthquakes cluster and how strong they are. An outbound layer is connection between earthquakes events and visualize sequence and possible migration and energy, pulsing and ripple effect, energy waves from earthquakes. That's the represent and purpose is emphasize energy release dynamically.